Welcome to Milk Moments USA, your trusted space for real, relatable, and research-backed parenting tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that many new parents struggle with: colic in babies. If your baby cries for hours on end for no clear reason, you're not alone, and we're here to help you prevent that from happening. What is colic? Before we jump into prevention, let's get clear on what colic actually is. Colic is defined as uncontrollable crying in an otherwise healthy baby, typically lasting more than 3 hours a day, more than 3 days a week, for at least 3 weeks. It usually begins around 2 to 3 weeks of age and peaks at 6 weeks, tapering off by 3 to 4 months. It's exhausting, frustrating, and emotionally draining, for both the baby and the parent. Why does colic happen? The exact cause of colic isn't known, but here are the most common theories. Gas or digestive issues, overstimulation or sensitivity to the environment, food intolerances, like dairy or caffeine in breast milk, an immature nervous system, tension or anxiety in the caregiver. Now let's talk about how to prevent it. Tip number 1. Master the burping game. One of the most effective ways to prevent colic is by burping your baby correctly and frequently, especially after feeds. Trapped gas can build up and lead to discomfort. Try upright burping over the shoulder. Sit your baby on your lap and gently rub the back, bicycle their legs to help release trapped gas. Make burping a non-negotiable part of every feeding session. Tip number 2. Pay attention to feeding position. Whether breastfeeding or bottle feeding, make sure your baby is in a semi-upright position. This helps reduce the chance of swallowing air. For bottle feeding, use anti-colic bottles designed to reduce air intake. Keep the nipple full of milk to prevent sucking in air bubbles. For breastfeeding, ensure a deep latch. Consult a lactation consultant if you notice frequent fussiness after feeds. Tip number 3. Watch your diet. If you're breastfeeding, what you eat affects your breast milk, and possibly your baby's digestion. Common culprits that may trigger colic: dairy products, caffeine, spicy foods, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cabbage. Try keeping a food journal and eliminate one item at a time to spot patterns in babies crying. Tip number 4. Create a calm environment. Babies are sensitive to loud noises, bright lights, and chaotic surroundings. Dim the lights, use white noise machines, establish a gentle bedtime routine, swaddle them securely to mimic the womb. The more predictable your baby's surroundings, the easier it is for their nervous system to adjust. Tip number 5. Try probiotics, with pediatrician approval. Some studies suggest that specific strains of probiotics, like Lactobacillus reuteri, may help balance gut bacteria and reduce colic symptoms. Always talk to your pediatrician before starting any supplements. But this can be a helpful, natural tool in your toolkit. Tip number 6. Avoid overfeeding or underfeeding. Feeding too much or too little can both cause discomfort. Learn to recognize your baby's hunger cues. Rooting, sucking on hands, turning head toward the breast or bottle. Don't rely solely on a clock schedule. Responsive feeding often works better. Tip number 7. Take care of yourself too. Colic isn't caused by bad parenting, but if you're stressed or anxious, your baby might pick up on those cues. Practice self-care. Ask for help when you need it. Take breaks when the crying gets overwhelming. Know that this stage is temporary. You're doing better than you think. When to see a doctor. If your baby is vomiting, losing weight, has a fever, or you suspect reflux, always check in with your pediatrician. Not all excessive crying is colic. It's always better to rule out underlying medical issues. Final thoughts: colic can be incredibly challenging, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can reduce the chances of it happening or make it more manageable. To recap: burp well and often use the right feeding positions. Watch your diet, calm the environment, consider probiotics, feed responsibly, and take care of you. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and share it with other new parents. We're here for you, every step of the way, at Milk Moments USA. See you in the next video.